Do you love handcraft items? Yeah, my accessories are all handmade. What handcraft item do you like? Well, I've got many items, but I really fall in love with my bamboo handbag. Where did you buy it? I bought it in a trip to the countryside. People make handcrafts from bamboo there. Why do you like it? Because it's unique. I travel quite a lot, but can hardly find a similar one. What is it made of? It's made of 100% bamboo. What does it look like? Being made of traditional material. It looks trendy, though. My handcraft bag has a 4 paper size, which is large enough to carry a bunch of stuff, makeup things, a wallet, and tissues. How is it made? Luckily, I had a chance to see how it is made. People spent the whole day knitting hundreds of small bamboo fibers together to make one bag. Is it easy to make? Nope, I'm not really skillful and patient, so handcrafts seem super hard for me. What is special about it? The material itself is what makes it special. It's eco-friendly as well. Does it remind you of something? Yup, it reminds me of the peaceful and quiet atmosphere of the countryside where I visited.